Are you looking for the best floating shelf bracket in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best floating shelf bracket that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Lucken Heavy Duty Shelf Bracket. It is an equipment which every person ought to ensure they have. It is excellent in creating rustic, modern and straightforward style shelves which are wall-mounted. Besides, they are made using wrought iron of high duty. Use hands-on ability and creativity in the creation of various styles of wall shelves. At number 4, Pipe Shelf Brackets. It is a set made using 6 industrial shelf brackets made using painted black and malleable iron steel. It is capable of supporting 2 shelf brackets weighing 25 kg. Shelving rustic pipe brackets are known to add high style in the farmhouse. The floating shelves are used for displaying decorations, kitchen goods, books, photos and plants. At number 3, Shelf Brackets Heavy Duty Rustic. It is a 4-pack shelf multi-purpose brackets. Therefore, they are maximizing space with their great style. They are ideal for use in office, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. Besides, the hardware is including drywall and screws anchors which are necessary for the process of installing new shelf brackets. At number 2, 4-pack multi-purpose rustic shelf brackets. It is maximizing space because of its unique style. Besides, it is an ideal shelf for office, bedroom, bathroom and kitchen. The DIY perfect shelving is coming with 4 kinds of brackets for the wall-mounted shelves. At number 1, Batoda Floating Shelf Bracket. It is a thin shelf capable of holding 20 pounds when on brick wall or stud. Therefore, you will be hanging them without any worry on the metal accessories which are ugly deterring with your home decor. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.